Hi, I'm Amber WTI, and I've always struggled to find really good, comfortable shoes that look cute, and I have found them. Inside the heel is actually a padded memory foam, so it's so comfortable to wear these all day long. The lining of these is also sweat absorbent, so that means as your feet sweat throughout the day, your shoes aren't going to get like stinky and they're not going to feel sweaty and slip off your feet. These stay on my feet really, really well. I can wear these all day and I do not get blisters on my feet at all. These are a super cute design and you can wear them with your casual stuff or with your dress stuff. I love to wear these just for work even. They have a tiny, tiny heel on them, so it just elevates me slightly and just makes me feel completely put together with my outfit. I have never found flats that are more comfortable and more affordable than these. So if you love shoes like I do, you're gonna wanna grab these in every single color. And that is my point of view.